Hello everyone, this is Anna from Lexingby Journals. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm here to show you this my new project for the graphics fairy for the design team, and that's for the month of December. And I opted for I decided to work on a theme that is a theme that I'm very fond of, and that's the Christmas. The Christmas Charles Dickens theme. And the idea behind it is that the person who is the keeper of this journal is a lady who is preparing for Christmas, and she's using the cover of one of her favorite books, and inside the journal she would be keeping all her plans of what she's preparing for this time, for the holidays. This is part of the ephemera, and it is a sheet with labels which I've used inside the journal as well. So here's the journal, and as you can see there's a bit of greenery, the foliage on the side, and that's my idea of a Christmas journal, this life coming out of it. So I will show you inside. Oh, let me show you the book. So this is the spine. There's a lot of gold on the spine, and this is a cover from the bundle, and as you can see it has printed so well, and it looks very rustic and vintage, just the way it would have been. I've got a little design back on the back, and the rest of it is simple, and the color is a kind of a green, a mix of green and gold and a bit of brown. This color is just beautiful. I love this color, and I've aged the cover a little bit, and I've added a bit of gold on it, and of course the seam binding ribbon is there. There we are. I've used quite a few bundles inside, and a few different Christmas bundles, because there are quite a few on the website. So there's a choice of different ones, and a mix and match is just amazing. You can get all sorts of different kind of effects from it. But this is more of a nostalgic vintage book. So in the front here there is a pocket. And these are the end papers, which I think go so well with the cover, and I also used this printout, which just is a sign of abundance, and all that Christmas is a time when families come together, and this feeling of love and communication, and even when all the year has gone past and maybe people haven't been able to get together, Christmas is a very important time for that. So she has kept her little wish list note here in this pocket. She's got two of those, and this is the cover of A Christmas Carol, another cover that I decided to use inside the book. Yeah, I'm very fond of that one as the main cover. There's a lot of lace. I liked the idea of it's very feminine, all the lace here. And here is a bingo card, and it's a start of happy Christmas, and some these are I really love these two cards here. So I added these, and I created this pocket from this. Actually, I'm gonna put them from the outside. I created this pocket from this page, this little journal cover. I used a few of those inside, and I created pocket from both sides. And then there's a little bell here, jingle bell. There. This is this is an envelope, and I've attached it on a dart here, and there it is, very vintage looking, and this is a gorgeous color. Try to put it this way. Okay. and there's the color, the tea dyeing is really, really lovely, combined onto this journal with all the ephemera and the pages. And there's a bit of music here on the other side, and some fashion. And this is from the music, Christmas music bundle, and this is also so appropriate for this one. Of course, she's keeping all her images, drawings, and there's a lot of that here. And these, I've fussy cut these flowers here, and I've added them, these berries, sorry, from, I suspect, one of the books that are here in the bundle. And I've added this as a washi on the side, on the edges, to add to the pages, to add interest. This is from the soaps and perfumes, a different bundle, and I used 2 of these onto this because, of course, she would be, look at this, is so lovely. She would be deciding on what kind of things she would like to buy for the house for the time of the year, so she would have that. And these are pieces of ephemera as well on this side. And this is another washi from the music, Christmas music, and I thought that would look also nice on the edge. There's more here, and I fussy cut around onto one of the sides of these ladies, and I thought I'd just create a little bit of a variety on the page, yeah, just one can write on this side or collage. This is another bingo card I really loved, this boy, and I have a big pocket from here. There's another washi on the edge, and there's another pocket here, and of course she's saving all her advertising of different things she wants to make, puddings and pies and things. So, and here's another lady that I have fussy cut and I've aged on the edges, and another flower and washi, and more berries here. There she is, another one again. Of course, she'll be looking at dresses and fashion of the times and what she would like to wear for Christmas. I decided to use these as pockets, side pockets, and they look really, 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 really cute this way. And there's another piece of ephemera here. And these were here. And I decided to cut them. Of course, 3 wouldn't fit on the page, but cut them in different and create different effects. Another one, and there's another cone pocket here, and some ephemera, and a journaling card of Santa. And here's some music on this side. And this is the assemblage that I made, and I've used ephemera. This is the pie, ephemera from the bundles here as well, and I tied with this ribbon, a leafy green ribbon, this part as well, which I thought is fun for, and it is really easy because it is on the edge, and made these eyelets here, and it is well attached. Tied onto it, but one can write on the journal, take it out, use it as a bookmark, and it won't interfere with the writing at all. There's some musical instruments running through, and there are some more here, some more tags, ephemera. Another way of decorating with those labels. There's some ephemera here, very dreamy and nostalgic, and that's the whole idea of the journal. And some more ephemera here, Santa. And here I've created, this is a little pillow box, and I created another pocket with it and sewed it around onto the page, and I added the cards inside. Now here I've angled it this way. There's a Christmas carol with a couple of little brads here, and it keeps it connected. And of course one can add more papers onto this page with these little brads. And here is another the cone again, another cone, but it's I've used more of it, so it's creating this corner pocket, and another wish list with a little boy here. And there's some music here. Music there, Christmas music, and they print out so well. They're just like, oh, they've come out of an old book. So this part is transparent, and we can hide little things in the front and the back as well. There's a little skate here, and some more decoration on the sides. And there is an advertisement of a soap. Letter to Santa. And here it's the inside is the actual paper to be used. And that has been attached and goes inside this pocket. And here's another folder in here, some more decoration. There's another bingo card in this cone, and another side of the folder, pocket, and another bingo card in here in this folder, in this music folder. And the end, where I've used again the end papers on the side, and I've created more pockets, and these are 2 tags. So this is the journal, the Christmas journal. Thank you so much for joining me today. This journal will be up for sale on the 2nd of December, 9 p.m. UK time. And have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.